Welcome to the Arts College, where creativity meets technique. Here, art begins with understanding the why behind every line. We teach the foundations, proportion, technique, and structure, because true creativity starts with skill. Recognized internationally through Trinity College, we offer weekly art lessons, holiday workshops, and online courses, all designed to help you master your craft and express your individuality. Your values shape every piece of work. Be yourself, stay mindful, respect others, and create with an open mind. Here, art isn't just about skill, it's about personal growth. As founders of art psychology teaching, we help you process emotions through creativity. Not therapy sessions, but meaningful, mindful creation. Through art, you'll also develop problem-solving abilities, stronger focus, communication skills, and self-confidence, qualities that empower every area of life. The skills you learn here open doors to industries such as graphic design, animation, fashion, architecture, interior design, marketing, film and media production, game design, mechanical and structural engineering, and we help you to succeed in your work industry with confidence and creativity. Art enhances innovation, emotional intelligence, and resilience, skills every professional needs to thrive. Discover your style. Learn the basics that build brilliance. The Arts College, best art lessons in Worthing.